came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Tehseen Poonawalla, what do you make of those posters? Why not going the Amethi way? What do you make of that poster, Tehseen?
These posters are put up by the BJP to try and divert attention. This is done by workers of the BJP. We know that, but it's okay. In a democracy, they're allowed to put up whatever.
You know what the situation with Amethi was.
It's all done by
But I thought you said there is no BJP in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and now you are saying the BJP is putting up the posters. Rajagopalanji, who put up those posters?
It is Satish camp. It is Satish's camp. Anti-Priyanka Gandhi camp.
Okay. If Satishan is anti-Priyanka, KC Venugopal is anti-Priyanka, then who is pro-Priyanka?
Sachin, suno.
That Tehseen is.
सुनो ये मैं 3 उंगली दिखा रहा हूँ, एक पकड़ लो आप, मैं चूज कर लेंगे. बीच वाला केसी वेणुगोपाल, you touch the finger.
Okay.
क्या कांग्रेस है यार, शर्म के मरना चाहिए साहब.
Okay, all right. Let's not get emotional. But you know, Tehseen Poonawalla. You know, it's difficult for wins to come by for the Congress party. In Kerala, they've got that win. They are the leading faction of that coalition. 63 of their own seats. There are alliance partners.
Yeah.
Do you think this could have been handled better?
No, Radhika, because 2.5 people don't take decisions in Congress. It's a democratic party. Okay. All the winning MLAs and consulting the allies, they take a democratic decision.
Fantastic. Just like the democratic decision is waiting to be taken in Karnataka, in Rajasthan, we saw what democracy did to the Rajasthan government. We know what democracy did in Chhattisgarh. We know what democracy in the Congress party did in Himachal Pradesh. Radhika Khera, democracy, 2.5 people, lessons for the BJP?
Navika ji, there is only one person who takes all the decisions in the Congress party, which is the Bhasmasur Shri Rahul Gandhi. And he plays a game of musical chairs. And the workers in every state now know that the High Command is a bottleneck and not a solution. And he has single-handedly destroyed the party. Very good for us. I hope Rahul Gandhi continues to be at the helm of affairs and they don't let anyone else come. And they should keep KC Venugopal along with him because they are doing their best. And they are our best, वो क्या कहते हैं ना, हमारा सबसे अच्छा players of the भारतीय जनता पार्टी वही है. हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, खुद ही अपने आप को बर्बाद कर लेते हैं. Imagine, Kerala, you have won with absolute majority, और आपको इतने दिन लग रहे हैं.
Vivek Srivastava, could they have handled this better, faster, swifter, and better decorum?
Yeah. Look, all I'll say is Radhika over here knows all the 3 names. Mr. Rajagopalan knows all the 3 names. पूरी पब्लिक को पता है कि 3 लोग कांग्रेस में हैं, तीनों कंटेंट कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं हमें सपोर्ट मिले. This is democracy. Is it there in the BJP?
One of them didn't contest the election, sir.